An unknown country has transferred additional Bayraktar TB2 attack drones to the armed forces of Ukraine. A few hours ago, new additional strike drones were handed over to the armed forces of Ukraine. The data on this subject was initially confirmed by unofficial sources in the armed forces of Ukraine, and later the Minister of Defense of Ukraine Oleksiy Reznikov officially announced this. According to the statement of the Minister of Defense of Ukraine, additional Bayraktar TB2 attack drones were put into service in the country. According to Oleksiy Reznikov, at the moment the attack drones put into service with Ukraine are fully ready for combat use. Despite the fact that Reznikov did not make any clarifications, there are reports that Ukraine could receive at least 6 Bayraktar TB2 attack drones, which will almost certainly be based in the western part of Ukraine, in order to avoid new losses among these drones. At the same time, there is information that we are talking about the supply of 4 sets of drones to the armed forces of Ukraine, which implies the transfer of 12 drones to the armed forces of Ukraine. It is noteworthy that over the past 48 hours several military transport aircraft from Azerbaijan and Turkey have flown towards Poland, which does not exclude the possibility that this is how the transportation of weapons was carried out.